Hello everybody, today we are going to be simplifying this equation, x squared times y to the negative 4 times x to the 3 times y to the y squared. Now we're going to simplify it in radical form, so the first thing we want to do is locate the common bases. Now we have the two x's and then we have the two y's. So what we're going to do is start with the x's, x squared times x, forget that one, x3, like that. And then with the product of powers rule, which is am times an equals am plus n. So the 2 and the 3's would be added together. So what you would do, click the plus, you'll get x to the 5. Now we're going to repeat that same thing for the two y's. So we're going to have y negative 4, y squared. So you're going to add negative 4 plus 2, and then you'll get negative, well, not negative, forgive me. You're going to get y to the negative 2. So then your equation's going to start looking like this. X to the 5 times y to the negative 2. Now, the next rule that we're going to use that's going to simplify this even further is going to be the negative rule. And what that does is that anytime there's a negative square, like that, you're going to get 1 over a to the end. So what we're going to do is we're going to take that y and pretty much put it on the bottom. So we're going to have x5 over y squared. And that is how you simplify that equation. Thank you so much for your time.